Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing the first week of my December daily this year. I am using the album that my friend Serena B made for me, and I have shared a quick flip through of this album as well as my plans for December daily and the supplies that I'm using in another video, so I will leave a link to that down below. But let's go ahead and get started. So if you have seen my life update video, you know that the first week of December was really difficult for me. My mom was very sick and she wound up passing away during this time. So I'm going to try to hold it together and try to keep things positive, because that is the focus of my December daily this year, is to look for the gratitude, look for the joy, and document that. So day one is in this cute little bag right here. Serena decorated this for me, and then I created a little card to go in here. It just has 1, and these little chipboard numbers are from Allie Edwards. And then this is a picture from the hospice that my mom was at, and you can see all of Santa Barbara down there, and it was so beautiful, and at night it was really gorgeous. They had a lit up Christmas tree on State Street, I believe, and then all the twinkling lights. It was so beautiful. I'm thinking I want to put something up here, but I'm not quite sure, so I'm just kind of leaving it as it is for right now. And then my mom was trying out some Snapchat filters because she loves a good Snapchat filter. I would send her little videos of me using Snapchat things all the time, and I knew that it made her laugh, so when I was visiting her on the 1st, we did some little Snapchats, and I thought it was fun, and she enjoyed it, so that card goes right in there. And then on the back of this little bag, I did some little flippy bits. So I've got Sprinkle Some Joy all season long, the little penguin guy, because we all know by now I love my penguins. And then these two flip up as well. So there's a picture of a hummingbird here. I hadn't seen a hummingbird in years and years, and it was perfect that it was there with me that day in Santa Barbara. And then the sunrise was beautiful. I'm never really up to see the sunrise. I'm not a morning person, but this night was very kind of up and down for my mom. So I was up pretty much all night, so I got to see the sunrise. And there's a little moon up there too, which I'm a total moon child. I love the moon. It's one of my favorite things. So to see the sunrise and the moon and the hummingbird that morning was just, it made the morning so nice. So I wrote about hummingbirds here. And I did forget to mention, or I guess specifically show you guys my gratitude. So my gratitude for the first was Snapchat filters, because that's kind of my focus for this album, is to look for things I can be grateful for. My gratitude for the second was the hummingbird and the beautiful sunrise, of course, but mainly the hummingbird. My gratitude for the third was silly ice creams, 20 questions, and watching the Santa Claus with my son, Spencer. We got these fun little ice creams at the grocery store. This one is like Neapolitan snowmen and then minty ice cream trees. They were just so silly, and they weren't expensive, so I got them for us, and we just had kind of a nice evening at home and spent some time together, because throughout the whole thing with my mom, I've been gone a lot and I haven't got to spend a lot of time with Spency, so that was really fun. And then I just layered the picture over this paper that was already here. Some of these embellishments were already here. This little cluster up here was here, and I just added some jemmies, some little snowflakes, a little bit more washi, just to kind of tie everything together with the page that Serena had already prepared. On the 4th was my mom's last actual good day of feeling well and kind of being with it and stuff, and I was so grateful that my brother was able to fly in to be here with her and I kind of in these last couple days. So I wrote, I am grateful for just the 3 of us, because it's been my brother, my mom, and me through a lot of things in our lives, and I'm grateful that we have each other and stuff, and how grateful I am that we got to spend this last, good day together. On this page, this was on the 5th, as you can see here, and on the 5th I was grateful for Spency's bravery. So he came up just for a quick visit to see his Nana, and this is Spencer and my brother hugging it out, and I just thought this moment was really special. They're very close, and I imagine, over time they'll become really close. But here I've got this little tag situation. This was in the album before. I think it was up here in this pocket, and I just moved it. And it had rained this day, so I love the rain. The rain is one of my favorite things, so I took a picture of my feet in the rain. This is kind of a signature thing for me. I love to take pictures of where I'm standing and what's going on around me, and it's a nice little snapshot of where I am right in that moment. So I just decorated the other side. I was gonna do some journaling here, but I didn't really feel like I needed to. And then behind that I added this die cut and some little jemmies. And this is mainly just to kind of help this little dude from flying out because he likes to slide out. It's a little crazy. On the back here, this was December 6th. This was the day that my mom passed. So this is me and my brother later on that day, just, you know, just the two of us now. So even though it was a really difficult day, I did have some things that I was grateful for. And then this art piece or word piece or whatever it is was hanging up in my mom's room. So I put that with her, and these are all things that we do anyway in my family. So I thought this was a nice reminder. These are things to be grateful for, you know, and then my brother, who I love very, very much. On the 7th, we had some stuff to take care of, obviously, to, you know, take care of my mom and all that. So we had gone up to my hometown because that's where she was going to be buried. So I just wrote about kindness, you know, of strangers and how they made the day a lot easier, you know, as far as making arrangements and all that. And then kindness of my family, who is up there to let us stay with them and really help out a lot and kind of go over and beyond, you know, what we expected as far as helping us out. So I thought that was really nice. I like kind of the flip element of each side. And then it goes perfectly in this little envelope that Serena had made for me, and I stapled on this little snowflake die cut here, kind of as like a little pull thing. That Velcro's closed, and then I just added some decorations here at the bottom corner along with this 7. And that is it. You can see here I have some more little gratitude things ready to go for the next few days. But that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I know it was kind of a downer. I'm really sorry. You know, going forward in December, hopefully it'll get kind of lighter again. You know, but if not, that's okay too. This, you know, it's just the point of this is to document my life and kind of what's going on in this season, both for the holidays and just in my life in general. So it's fine if it's a little bit down, you know, it's totally understandable. So I'm not putting any pressure on myself as far as keeping things light or not or whatever. I thought you guys would want to see kind of how I'm using the album that Serena made for me, how I'm adding to it and making it my own, and just kind of how I'm decorating it up and stuff and layering and all that. So hopefully you guys can pick up some good tips and tricks for using in your December daily. But like I said, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!